Hi, in this video, we'll be sharing some of the review response that we got from you guys. As I mentioned earlier, the goal of this exercise was to actually learn you better. And I want to be transparent in terms of planning this course ahead. So let's see how was your response to the questions that were posed. As we see, more than 50% of you are comfortable with Python. However, still some of you are more comfortable with Java and R, and that is quite understandable because we are coming from a different background. Sorry, I missed the first question. So here you see that Python is the most known language among you, and also we have some people with Java, R, and C++ background. One person, you don't have like any programming language background. I would suggest that talk to me so I can work with you to pick up at least one language as soon as possible. The course is going to be quite extensive from this week one, so I suggest you take every opportunity to learn one language at least, and reach out to your peers and whatever media you can find and you are comfortable. You have to pick a language, otherwise you won't be able to progress much. The other question we asked about Docker and Git, and we see for Docker most of the people do not have any experience, and it's okay because as part of our project we'll be learning about Docker. This almost half of our students are familiar with Git. We will make the other also get familiar with moving forward. I see about 15% of you have taken a data science and machine learning course before, so this is good because we will reach out to you for help. Especially you guys can work together and make your peers learn this course in a more proactive way. The next two questions are quite striking for me, and these two answers will guide most of the coming weeks, because I see that half of the people do not have a statistics background, and this is quite surprising, at least for me, that this data science or data mining course is mainly guided through the statistical aspect. So in next 2 weeks we'll be mainly learning about statistics and probability, same as the probability question. So we see that most of the people haven't taken any course on probability, but I guess and I hope you guys have some memories from your high school math, because if you are coming from science background, then we expect that you learn some statistics and probability. But again, if not, then please reach out to me. So if needed, we can prepare some additional sessions, so we can get you onto the track as soon as possible. In terms of preparedness, I see most of the people are actually well prepared for this course. So this is good news. I see a few people are on the left side of the graph, but I will be asking these folks to reach out to me if you need any assistance. And I hope that we put last week as our preparatory week, you guys have already moved to the right side of the graphs. And I see that most of you are still liking to meet in virtual environment, but and I always suggest that if you have any opportunity, let's meet in person, because that will help us to know each other and discuss many aspects of this class. From this survey, I at least was able to figure out two important points. One is Python, Java, and R are our top programming choices, and I will be preparing most of the course content for this week and also the next week based on these two questions: background in statistics and probability theories. Thank you so much.